Greetings class, welcome to Theater 14A online. I'm your instructor W. Clay and I want to walk you through the class and show you folks how to get into it and then how to navigate it once you're there. So the first thing you need to do is select a browser, and I'm using Firefox, and I will tell you that a lot of the problems that you run into with Angel will be browser related, so you're going to want to pay close attention to that. So if you go to the West Valley homepage, which is where we are right now, you will see a tab for Angel right there. And if you click on there, this will take you to the main Angel page. So on the right hand side, you'll have some information that will tell you about browser issues. So it shows you right here what browsers are supported, and if you don't have any of those, you can download them right here. So let me go ahead and log in. And when you log in, it's going to be your student ID number plus your birth date, and you can change those if you want to, but that's what you'll be starting with as your default. So ID number and then your birthday. So put those in, and this will take you to all of your courses that you can get into. So you'll have you should have an Angel component for all of your classes, and this one is going to take place entirely online. So it's right here. So this shows all the classes that I teach. And this will take you to the front page. And I want all of you folks to pay attention to the front page and read everything on it. There's some information about the book right here and also about the movie clips. And then also you'll find this video clip right here that I'm doing right now in this spot. Of course it isn't there right now because I'm just now recording it. And then also some information about the class. So all of your important dates and things like that will be right here. So read through all of that. And I also have that information located elsewhere in the class. Right here is a grades page, or a little grades chart that will show you what you've got. So right here, nobody's done anything yet, so we all have 0 on there. And you can click on that, and it will give you kind of a broad overview. And there are more specific ways to get your grades, and I'll tell you about that a little bit later. Also, if you want to contact me, you can use course mail right here, and I'll show you how to get into that in a minute. Well, let's go into the course, and you click on lessons, and that's where you're going to find everything in the course. So at the top I have directions, and this will tell you the order in which to do things, and if you follow this you should do pretty well in the class. So read the syllabus. Syllabus is right here. Submit a picture. Click on there and there's a drop box so you can put a picture of yourself. I want to have everyone in the class do that just so I know what everybody looks like, and I might actually make kind of a mosaic that has everybody's faces on it. We can't quite do avatars in Angel yet, but we're working on that. And then you have the blog, which is the next step. That's number 3, blog topics. And you click on there, there will be multiple topics here. And you have to do 2 entries. That can be an entry or a response to somebody else or a reply per week for 8 weeks. So you need to do a total of 16 posts in here. Okay. And it is possible that we can have more blog topics. I just have to create them once you ask me. So I will probably have a new blog topics new blog topics discussion as well. So then we get into the actual lesson folders, and you'll see that these are the approximate dates when you should be working on those. And so you click on the first lesson, and this shows you what will be in one of your standard lesson modules. So this has the discussion questions right here, and this is another discussion. Your first reading question, and there isn't a reading quiz here, but in other folders there will be. Your notes in PDF form, the lecture, which will be a video lecture that I have uploaded to YouTube, and then also clips of the first film that we watch for this. We don't have the entire film uploaded right now, we just have clips. But I recommend, if you can, watch the entire movie if possible. So let me go through more of these. So that's lesson 1. You also have lesson 2, lesson 3, and that goes all the way through. And after you've done lesson 8, then your first exam will happen. It'll be open for a week from March 25th to April 1st. When you open up Angel, you're not going to be able to see that right now. It's completely grayed out for you, but whenever it's time for you to take it, it will pop up. Then we move on to sci-fi, so you've got the Alien blog, and then you also have your project, which will be due point after that, and there's some samples and information on that. Then your Dropbox for that project, which is due April 22nd. That's how you will turn these things in. And then the rest of this all the way down to the final exam, which will be open from May 13th to May 20th. And you'll be going through that. Follow these directions and you should do fine. And I'll be giving you email updates letting you know what's going on in the class and if you need to do more work to catch up on things. So let me go back to the main course page and show you folks how to send me an email if you need to. So you can go to view inbox or you can do quick message. That's the quickest way to do it. And if you click on that, that will give you take you to Angel Mail. And this is the best way to email me because of the fact that it will give me, it will go into this course and it won't get lost someplace else. So you have to select who it's going to go to. So if you go all members, this selects all the possible people. So you could do, if you're sending one to me, click on all course faculty, and that would go to me. And then you hit OK. And then you type in, put in the subject, type it, and hit send. Boom, it will go to me. All right, this one doesn't have a subject, so I'll put hey, and I'll put what's up, and then I'll send it. You can also send it to recipients in internet email too. So you could use this to communicate with other students in the class, and you can also use it to communicate with me, and that's the best way to do it. Well, that's about everything, so good luck with the course. If you have any other questions, shoot me an email or stop by my office, which is in the music building. It's room 1D in there, and I'll be seeing you folks later.